Hey guys, and welcome back to Altcoin Goddess. In today's video, I'm diving into a massive opportunity known as Zinzenova. This is a global multi-asset broker that offers a powerful platform for trading CFDs in forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With over a decade of experience in the industry, Zinzenova is headquartered in England and has built a worldwide presence with over 1,000 professionals spread across over 30 offices, guys. So whether you're into forex or looking to capitalize on commodities or indices, this platform gives you access to some of the most liquid and exciting markets out there. But as always, before we dive in, remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. First, guys, spreads start at 0.0, which means you're getting some of the tightest spreads in the industry. On top of that, they offer leverage up to 1/2000, giving you plenty of room to maximize your trades. The minimum deposit to get started is only $250, and there are no fees for deposits. So whether you're trading forex, commodities, indices, or shares, this gem offers a wide range of products to trade. For forex trading, you can tap into the world's most liquid financial markets, leveraging global economic trends. If commodities are more your thing, you can trade precious metals, oils, and soft commodities, all while taking advantage of market cycles. With CFD indices, you can jump into some of the top stocks indices like SP 500, DAX, FTSE, and DJ30. And for those looking to trade shares, this gem offers CFDs on leading companies, including stocks from the US and Hong Kong, which is allowing you to capitalize on market movements. Now, guys, building on the powerful features we just discussed, this gem stands out as a leading next-gen forex brokerage. They give traders direct access to the international forex market, working with top foreign exchange liquidity providers. This simply means ultra-fast trade execution and raw ECN interbank level spreads, which makes for a true institutional trading experience. And on top of that, they offer ultra-low trading costs, allowing you to maximize your profits. And plus, guys, you will get a generous welcome offer to kickstart your trading journey. Also, order execution is more than rapid, so you won't be left waiting when the market is moving fast. What's also cool is that they offer free forex trading signals, so you can trade smarter and not harder. With negative balance protection, you can trade with confidence, knowing you're protected from unexpected losses. But guys, one of the best things about Zinzenova is how easy it makes trading on the go. Their web trader and mobile web trader are perfect for traders who need access to the markets anytime and anywhere. These tools are fast, reliable, and fully compatible with any device, whether you're on your phone, PC, or Mac. The platform allows for one-click trading, which is giving you quick access to the markets, and you can also use various order types and get instant access to over 1,000 assets. As you can see, guys, with Zinzenova, you will not miss a trade because everything is designed to be as convenient and efficient as possible. Now, when it comes to choosing the right account, Zinzenova gives you options based on your trading goals and how much support you need. Each account types come with different perks depending on your deposit size. For example, with the standard account, you can start with a $10,000 deposit and get leverage up to 1/200. The spread is 2 pips, which is a bit higher, but you will get premium trading signals for a month and access to basic support from trading analysts. If you're looking for more, the silver account requires a $25,000 deposit, which bumps the leverage to 1.150 and the spread drops to 1.5 pips. You will also get 3 months of premium trading signals and a personal account manager, plus extended support via live chat, phone, and email. For even more benefits, the gold account requires $50,000 deposit, increasing leverage to 1/200 and cutting the spread to just 1 pip. This account gives you lifetime premium trading signals and access to a senior account manager, along with 24/5 support, including WhatsApp. And finally, as you can see, the VIP account is fully customizable. This means that you can contact them directly to adjust your trading conditions and support to match your exact needs. No matter what account type you choose, you will get exceptional benefits that match your level of investment. As you can see, guys, with their deep knowledge of the markets, access to liquidity, and risk management tools, they create a platform that empowers you to trade with confidence. This is your chance to tap into a world of trading potential, so do not miss out. Zenzenova is all about providing the tools and support you need to unlock huge rewards. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, this is the platform you've been waiting for. As always, like, share, and subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated on the crypto world's next big opportunities. This is your host, Altcoin Goddess, signing off.